Welcome, film is an LG Velvet, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with a welcome screen where you simply get to choose the language of the device, and from here you see you can choose basically any kind of language from the list. I'm gonna stick with English, and from here tap on the arrow. On the next page we'll have the option to insert SIM card. Now this step is completely redundant here. You can insert that SIM card at any point throughout the setup or after the setup, and it will start working no matter whenever you do it. So I'm gonna skip this for now. Then we have internet connection, and from here you can connect to Wi-Fi. If you don't have one, you can, well, skip this by tapping on next. And on the next page you can set up the date and time. I'm not going to really bother with it, but all you need to do is just tap on the drop down and choose the correct date and time. Then from here let's tap on next, and we have some Google services. Now you can read each one of them, what they exactly do, and you have things like use location, scanning, and I'll send user and diagnostic data, and you can disable them if you don't want it. If you read it and for instance you don't agree with what it does, you can simply disable it and then accept it at the bottom. And then in here we can set up some kind of protection of the device. Now, key thing to keep in mind, if you choose to set up a fingerprint, you will also need to set up a PIN pattern or password, whatever the choice will be here. But if you choose to only have pattern, PIN or password, you don't have to have a fingerprint. Let's tap on next and next, and here's the choice. So I'm gonna go with the pattern. Tap on next and pattern once more, same one, and confirm it, and now we can start scanning our finger. Now if you don't feel like adding your fingerprint, you can simply skip it. I'm gonna quickly do it. Hopefully it's gonna be quick. There we go. Oh, there we go. So from here we can either add another finger or add the same finger just for a better accuracy, or just tap on OK and continue with only one. And let's choose our region for some legal documents, tap on next, and then we have the legal documents. Now at the top you have agree to all, but in reality you only need to agree to the first two. As you can see, this one and this one. And that's about it. Now once more you can read exactly what it does right here, what you're agreeing to, and this tiny little window. As you can see, there's also a lot of it to read, and yeah, from there you can also read the additional ones and see if you want it or not. From there tap on done once you selected it, and you should be finished with the setup. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.